Welcome back to another video from Prometheus. I'm bringing you guys this DMP car design radio system. But a little backstory. My wife has a GLC 300 and her car radio is a pretty nice radio. The only problem is it's small, and on top of being small, it's actually doesn't have a touchscreen. The features there are kind of basic. It's not colorful, it's not vivid. You know what I mean? It's a nice radio, it works, but we wanted something different, and this is Christmas, so I figured let me upgrade her radio to something decent. So scoured the internet looking for something great, and ended up finding this DMP. So let's jump right into it for the unboxing. Alright, there we go. First thing you come across is the instruction here. It tells you exactly how to install and uninstall the radio, actually how to install the radio. I'm not going to do any of this installation, but I'm just going to point through the guide here, showing you steps and step, but important information, installation information. So I'm not going to do any of that, but I think if you're going to install it, you ought to read through this, get used to it, and you know, do the best you can to get it installed. All right, I'll send it to the side. All right, let's open up the box right here. As you can see in the box, there's a lot of stuff in there. One is this cable ends here. I'm not sure exactly what some of them do, but I think they're very important to the radio. So make sure you keep them handy, don't lose them. And if you're gonna have a technician install this, make sure everything is done properly. So I have the guy that cuts my grass, cutting the grass outside. So hopefully you guys. Anyway, this is the auxiliary. And let's name some of these things. I think I can name a few things out of this box. So let's start with this one here. All right, this one looks like the LTE antenna. And yeah, it is. It says 4G there. All right, that to the side. And let me go for the one here in the middle. That's the radio. But what is this? This is actually the GPS. GPS connects to the dashboard. There you go, next to the radio. Alright, put it to the side. Let's grab that. That is the mic. If you want to talk to Siri or one of those friends, you can call them there. And I think this is another type of mic. I'm not sure what this is. Maybe that's the mic. You guys figure it out later. Alright. Here's the harness. Oh, that's not the harness. That's the bracket that actually holds the radio. Guys, I'm not a technician. I have never installed a radio in my life, so I'm just just showing you guys how good the radio looks. But that's the bracket, and that looks good. Put it back in there. Shove everything back in. Shove them. All right. Shove that one too in there. Shove this right in the middle. Well, we're doing installation today, so it doesn't really matter. Shove, shove, shove. Okay. Wait, let me fix it up properly. All right, and before I close the box, let me pull the radio out. So radio is pretty big. It's 12-inch. That's what she said. But this is the 12-inch. All right, we bought this. There was a 10-inch, but we decided to go with this. You know, go big or go home. So we got the SIM card. Well, take it out of the box. Take it out of the pack. And it's really nice. I mean, the screen looks nice. Sorry about that, guys. I know I have my fingerprint all over the screen, but it's just that. All right, turn it around. You got the SIM card. You got the you can put a more hard drive in there, so you can put the little micro SD card in there. SIM, micro SD card, both fit in there. All right, so the slots there for it. All righty, and I don't know if you can see it, but anyway. All right, got 4G on the GPS connection there, and the module connection. Anyway, it's a great radio. We're going to jump into the installation or after installation. All right, here we go. Welcome back after installation. Now, as you can see, the technician fully installed the radio. The colors are beautiful, vibrant colors. I know you guys are going to like this. This is pure HD quality radio. It looks expensive. Doesn't look cheap at all. But let's see what the radio is made about. Let's see what it's made of. I'm gonna jump in the system here. As you go into settings, you scroll down till you get to the end, and you're gonna see right there on the about phone. Scroll down some more, and it tells you this is a quad-core Snapdragon. So the processor is fast, and it's also made with the operating system running on this is Android 13, Android version 13. Great. So we're going to jump to the main radio so we can look at the screen here. This is just admire the screen and see the quality. If you guys are trying to install this is beautiful. And look at the dashboard, where the speakers are, to see how this is flush to the dashboard. I'm going to show you guys here. I'm running my hands through it now, and just take a look. Let me see if I can raise the phone up a bit. Look at that, flush to the dash. It's almost like it came with the car itself. But anyway, let's see what the navigating system has to show. Pulls up Google Map, which is great. There's no hotspot. Let's go to the music. All right, so the music here has it's actually very intuitive. It's very nice. So when you click on that, that's going to pull up whatever you have playing at the moment. I have a USB plugged in, so you can see on the side there it has a USB symbol, which shows you that we have a USB running there at the moment. This is fantastic. You can also install your music to your hard drive. You can install it to the hard drive, play it through USB, or even play it through Bluetooth, or just play the CD. Nobody plays CD anymore, but you can still play CD here. So I like this radio, it's very nice. But anyway, let's jump to the next one. The next one is going to be your phone. This is how you make your connection with Bluetooth here. Click on that, and I want to cover some of this stuff here, but you get the Bluetooth connection there. It shows you your call logs, received, made, even music on the bottom. Sorry, my focus is just not used to this new phone, but anyway, you get the music, you get all the stuff that you can do from your stuff. All right, let's just jump out real quick. All right, the next one is going to be the weather. Right, this is actually nice, but let me just go up real quick and show you guys something. You need hotspot to be able to see the weather. So if you connect your radio to a hotspot, you should be able to see the weather data. So let's click on that. As that comes up, you can see it's Fahrenheit and Celsius. So choose yours accordingly. And data will start populating if you have a hotspot on this. Anyway, let's jump out. All right, so this is your car information. Oh, it's going too fast. Hold on. Click on that. It's going to take you back to your old car system, which is great sometimes because you might need to go there. I'm going to show you guys later why you need to go there. Got the gauge cluster there. Yeah. But anyway, swipe down. It takes you back to your home page, which is the main system. Let's go to the settings real quick. Settings have a few cool things in there. You got the system, you got the language, you got the sound, you got the volume. Navigating the system there. Click on the volume. You can make adjustments to your volume on how you want them to sound. Yep. And go back. You can go to your I'm not gonna do language. Just gotta get out of here real quick. But anyway, you go into your system here. You can go into your sound, time, system information, Android, factory reset. Factory reset has few more things in there. You gotta be careful with that though, because you can mess up your system with the factory reset. But anyway, if you're one of those guys that understand these things, just go in there and just kind of mess around. You can change even the way the screen looks like. Pretty cool. Factory system. So let's jump out real quick, guys. All right, thank you. Now you got the HD video, which can play USB videos or can play directly from the YouTube. Right now, my wife has it set to YouTube, so we're just gonna back out. All right, thank you very much. So here you can go into your app and you can see more apps that you can actually download. Here's the App Store. That is nice. No hotspot, so you're not gonna be able to see anything. Back out, go into your APK installer. You can see GPS tester, YouTube, Museo player is actually pretty cool. When you open that up, it actually shows you the music that you have. Right now we have a USB running, but the cool thing is it would change the color of the screen. I'm gonna find a decent song here to play to show you guys what happens when you actually play. It actually changes the color of the screen, which is kind of cool. So let's play this one here. Look at that, changes that. So you can actually, you know, it changes the ambience of the car, which is fantastic. Let's go out real quick. You can actually click home or just click back. I want to click back, so there you go. And here you got the Z-Link. I don't want to do that. Just back up. All right. So you got the Chrome web browser. You got Google, and you got a lot of stuff. I haven't had the time to download more things, but anyway, I'll show you more on the Z-Link here in a second. All right, but you can download more icons here. You can. There's a way to push it to the main screen. I don't remember how to do it again, but hopefully I can make a separate video on that. But anyway, it has all kinds of stuff. You have the ES file explorer, and but anyway, let's jump out real quick so we can finish the video. It's been too long. Anyway, you got the Z-Link. I'm not gonna click it now because it will remove the recording. I'm using the phone for the recording. Oh, too fast. You got the dash. This dash gauge cluster is pretty cool though. You know, to change this, you have to use the Mercedes-Benz wheelie thingy, right? So what I mean wheelie thingy, let me show you guys. You can change it by swiping around. Wheelie thingy, so you just click it in, it just changes to sport mode. Click it one more again, the option comes back up. You change it to comfort, click it back out again, and go back to the next one. So showing you guys the equalizer, we don't need that, it's just crap. Anyway, you can change the team settings, which is nice. So the team settings will allow you don't need to save it, just change it. It will change and stay the way you have it changed. It's a pretty good radio, guys. I enjoy it. But guys, please remember to subscribe and like my videos. I'll keep making videos whenever I buy a product or something that I use. I'll make videos on that. So, but it is a beautiful system. Alright guys, that concludes it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'm going to try my best to keep making content. One more thing, the reverse actually works as well. No issues, you throw it in reverse, the camera comes up to get the low gauge cluster on the side there. But pretty much that's about it, guys. I appreciate the video. I appreciate you guys watching my video, and I'll keep on making more videos. Hopefully you guys subscribe to my content. Thank you again for watching, and God bless. Bye-bye.